is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. So am I. You hear this bracket in the background? Yep. We're watching a bit of drag racing. Yes, we are. We like some drag racing. You know what I mean? Those guys go some super fast nowadays. Back when I was young, man, they didn't go that fast. They go fast now and drive that crap on the street. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I'm here because we're doing some cleanup on the floors of the Fairmont, kind of like making a extension video off the last video. Yeah, buddy. So let's turn this around and see what we got going on. So we got the floor and everything all clean and everything. Got all the sticky residue stuff off there. This and that. A lot of people use dry ice. I put a little bit of heat on it. Go ahead and peel everything off. You can get it all off there. And after I do the heat, you can get all the sound deadener off of there. So what I use is Goo Gone. Yeah, buddy. This stuff works great on the residue. Sticky residue works great. Takes it right off. Just spray it on, let it sit for a minute, then wipe it right off. Oh yeah. And then I use my soapy water to clean everything off. So we're getting ready, pretty much everything ready to put the sound deadener down. You know, as you can see, my little trash bags that I like using. And it's full. Got sound deadener and the rags and stuff and the paper towels that I've been using to clean the floor. So I've ordered new plugs for the floor. And so I got those ordered and they'll be coming in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the sound deadener down, cut the holes out for them, and then I'll put the plugs back in there. So I gotta replace the plugs on both sides. I'm glad they make them. So the regular Foxbody plugs that they sell should be the same thing, I hope. I hope. If not, then we'll have to find some plugs or some way to plug it. You know, so I still have a little bit more vacuuming to do and this and that, get it cleaned up. But this is what we're working on, man. We're getting things cleaned up and done. My grandson, he come back there in the help, got in the trunk and got some of that stuff off back in the trunk, which, you know, I still got to get back there and clean it up a little bit better in the trunk area. Let me get this back here, TV, so that way you guys can hear me. So anyhow, so we got to get this cleaned up. I still got to get this right here, knock that down a little bit, so we can get that knocked down. Maybe put a little tack weld or something on it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. But the trunk in this car, everything's so super clean. You know, we're ready to rock and roll, baby. Oh yeah. I would have finished putting the front end together and the rotors and everything, but I haven't got my dust shields yet. I don't think I'm gonna get them until probably the middle of the week. Once I get the dust shields and everything on, I'll go over and make sure everything's tightened and torqued down. And then we'll put the rotors and the calipers and everything on it and get this thing ready to set it down. I was going to start working on the body and stuff once I get this and get everything set up and get it ready to set down. I was gonna leave it on here for a little bit and start working on the body. I don't have much work to do on this body. A couple dents here and there, but I mean, the body's straight. And I think I'm gonna have a YouTuber paint it for me. I ain't mentioning no names yet, but yeah, we're gonna have a YouTuber paint it for me. Yeah, buddy. So I'm just kind of showing you what we got done today. Not a very long video, but we are working on the Fairmont and trying to get her done. Yeah, buddy. Hey, the speakers are still in this car, man. Shoot, I put me a radio in here and do me some rock and roll. Let me turn this around. So anywho, we're working on it. We're getting things done. My goal was to get this thing on the ground by spring, and I think I'm a little ahead of time. So I'm just waiting on the dust shields, and while I'm waiting on the dust shields, I've been working on the inside floors, trying to get them ready to put the sound deadener down. I almost forgot what I was gonna say. It's old age, guys. It's gonna happen to all of us sooner or later. So I've been really busy at work. I've been busy. So I haven't had much time to go to the junkyard and this and that. I did go there today, make sure everything's okay and everything. And I think once it starts warming up, which it'll be sooner before we know it, once it starts warming up, I'll start using a little bit of my vacation time here and there and start getting that yard organized, get ready. Because I believe this year is gonna be the year when I'm gonna start getting that thing prepared and up and open like it should be. you know, because my dad, he's 90 years old. He goes every single day. So whoever I put in there, I'm sure he'll watch them like a hawk. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Oh boy, it's just going crazy, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it, you know. Never in my life did I think that my channel would be doing as well as it is. And I thank you. I really do. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your night. Hey, and thanks for watching. All right, you see what you guys helped me do? I appreciate you guys. I really thank you for coming in here. You guys helping me work on this car, getting the stuff cleaned out. I know it's been a little while since you've done it, but we got in here today and finished it off, and it looks good, don't it? Yeah, so you guys are awesome. Can I get a thumbs up? Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, these are my grandkids, and they are helping me every now and then.